Today we're making the cocktail recipe, Espresso Martini. Hey everybody, my name is Michael and today we will be making an espresso martini. So the ingredients we're going to be using today are Ribowa, this vodka, we're going to be using Kahlua, a coffee liqueur, and also cold drip coffee, so concentrated coffee. The cold drip coffee we are using today is First Press Coffee, which is a Victorian company supporting Australia, and it's a very good product. It makes the espresso very easy to froth up. Let's get straight to it. So today we're using the traditional recipe, which consists of 30 ml of each of these ingredients. So very simple. And we are shaking it today. So we put everything into the small shaker, 30 ml of Kahlua, that stuff smells absolutely delicious. 30 ml of our cold drip. If you don't have this at home, you can use an espresso machine. Just do a shot of that. But make sure it's not hot when you pour it into there. So now we've got all our ingredients into the small shaker and we are going to shake it. So there's different ways of doing this, the order. So expert bartenders are quite good at shaking. They've got a good rhythm to it to froth up all the ice, and if you've got a good coffee, then it'll froth up nicely. So all you have to do is shake it with ice and pour it straight on. For our beginners out there, or even bartenders that just want to make sure that foam is beautiful, we shake it twice. One with ice and another called a dry shake without ice. So making sure our ice is looking beautiful on top, and we'll shake. Grabbing our strainer, pouring the ice, not the ice, the drink. Oop, nearly lost that. So dumping that ice over there. And now we shake it with no ice. And this is called a dry shake. So for a dry shake, what you want to do is shake it short and hard. Instead of going long with ice, try to hold the shaker, one on each side, otherwise it's just going to pop off. Looking inside, making sure it's nice and frothy. And now, so a great espresso martini is going to have 3 distinct layers. The bottom, which is the dark layer, the top, which is that beautiful thick crema, and the middle layer, which is the middle ground. Grabbing our coffee beans is the garnish. So we want 3. Health, wealth, and happiness. You don't just want to chuck those in because it doesn't look pretty. You want them to be touching. Your beautiful espresso martini is ready to go. And of course, I have to have a sip because I'm a typical Melburnian and this is one of my favourite drinks. Delicious. Instead of breakfast, have yourself an espresso martini, but don't go to work. Thanks guys, as always. Let us know if you have any questions, comments, and pop in for a drink.